one-of-a-kind Yamaha Xsr 125 Cafe Racer showcased in Japan. The Baby Neo Retro with the Cafe Racer kit was showcased at the popular Osaka Motorcycle Show. Japan's Osaka Motorcycle Show is a hotspot for catching some unique and one-of-a-kind motorcycles. And this year, Yamaha showcased a custom-built Xsr 125 with Cafe Racer kit. And it's one good-looking machine we wish we got here. Yamaha hasn't done a lot to achieve that neo-retro Cafe Racer style. It has a simple retro-style bikini fairing over the headlight, and a scooped-up single seat where the tail section mimics the teardrop-shaped Cafe Racer cowl. There are other embellishments like an aluminum crankcase cover and a bash plate. Lastly, it appears to get a sporty red and black paint job. However, the remainder of the bike is essentially untouched. It is equipped with a 6-speed gearbox and the same 125cc single-cylinder engine which produces 14.9 PS and 11.5 Nm. Just for perspective, the KTM 125 Duke makes 14.5 PS and 12 Nm. There is no official announcement on when or if the custom Cafe Racer kit would go on sale in the country. Regrettably, though, neither the Xsr 125 nor the Xsr 155 will be arriving in India in the near future. Nonetheless, if you're looking for a neo-retro Yamaha in India, the updated FZX is something to consider. In fact, it was also updated with a few crucial updates recently.